How to fix Minecraft launcher unable to update. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Minecraft launcher unable to update. On Windows you may see unable to update the Minecraft native launcher, and on Mac it may say the launcher failed to update. This usually happens due to permissions, network or server's connections issue. Just follow these steps carefully. First, go to your desktop and search for Minecraft. Right click and then choose Run as Administrator. Then tap Yes. After it opens, try updating the launcher again. Sometimes your internet provider blocks the connection to Minecraft update server. Try connecting to a mobile hotspot using a different Wi Fi network. If the update works on another network, you can later change your router DNS to Google DNS to make the connection stable. If it still not works, open Microsoft Store and here search for Minecraft launcher and check if an update is available there. Install the update and then relaunch the launcher. Minecraft updates require connection to Microsoft servers. If the servers are down, the launcher cannot download update files. In this case, you simply need to wait a few hours and try again later, sometimes up to 24 hours. If you still cannot update after trying everything, you can use an alternative launcher such as Prism Launcher, which supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. But first, try all the fixes I've told. Most users solve the issue by running as administrator or switching network. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below.